First up tonight, the Oregon DHS has suspended the license of a Portland care facility over inadequate infection control of COVID-19.
Healthcare at Foster Creek has had more than 100 cases of COVID-19 and 28 deaths. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel is live there now with the very latest on the situation. Audrey?
Right, that emergency license suspension went into effect immediately today. DHS tells us 11 people were still living here. They already moved them out of here. 10 were taken to a hospital and the other one to a private home. Now, the order of suspension that we received from DHS about this is scathing. DHS says the facility's actions create a serious danger to public health and safety, and that despite numerous enforcement actions, infection control guidance and oversight, and facility support, healthcare at Foster Creek has not met basic infection control standards. The order reads, this has resulted in and continues to result in a persistent source and spread of COVID-19 in a facility with extremely vulnerable residents and in the community at large. According to the state, there have been 117 cases of COVID-19 here between residents and staff, and 28 people have died. We spoke to a woman tonight who says her husband lived here and tested positive for COVID-19 in late April. She says luckily he's doing much better, but is still in the hospital recovering, and she says this facility needs to be held accountable.
I'm really mad at them because they promised they were going to take good care of my husband. I talked to him the day after Easter, and plus I talked to his nurse at healthcare, and she said that he was with the same residents that he started with in October and that he was safe. It was all a lie. But then a few days, he's at Fort Lewis Adventist Hospital in ICU with the COVID virus. He could have died. So yeah, I'm mad.
State health officials have shared several violations they've observed here in the past month, including staff not washing their hands, working across units when they weren't supposed to, lack of cleaning services, and lack of training about COVID-19, and that's just to name a few. Healthcare at Foster Creek sent us a lengthy statement tonight saying, in part, Healthcare at Foster Creek leadership consistently and repeatedly attempted to communicate collaboratively with DHS and OHA to combat the threat of coronavirus. We're disappointed in the action of DHS today, but our concern has always been and continues to be the safety of our residents, our employees, and the greater Oregon community. Live in Southeast Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.